Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by closing Steam and any related processes so files can be replaced safely. You must back up the existing Steam API-64 DLL to a backup folder to restore if needed. Next, obtain a DLL that matches your Steam client's build number. Mismatched builds cause signature and version errors. Once done, verify file permissions so Windows won't block the replacement, and make sure your antivirus is temporarily disabled to avoid quarantine during the copy. Now copy the new DLL into the Steam folder and overwrite the old file. You need admin rights, so run the copy from an elevated prompt. After replacing, set file ownership to administrators and grant full control to avoid permission errors. Then, validate the binary. Use Dependency Walker or Dumpin to inspect exports and imports, confirming no missing CRT or API dependencies. If the DLL depends on a specific VC++ runtime, install that runtime before launching Steam. Finish by restarting Windows to clear locked handles and then launch Steam. Watch for immediate errors or crash logs. If Steam flags or refuses the DLL, restore your backup, then try a different build that matches the client's exact version. Version mismatch is the usual culprit. Make sure the appropriate Visual C++ redistributable is installed because many DLLs require it. If problems persist, check Event Viewer for faulting module information. This tells you which dependency remains unresolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.